2010 Taurus was designed to compete with some of the world's best, right down to interior quietness. Its extras like a thick windshield made of acoustic laminated glass and expandable foam baffles in the pillars, they give it that high level of quality you typically find in a more expensive vehicle.
This is the 2009 Acura RL. With a price tag of around $48,000, surely you would expect it to be quieter than the Taurus, right?
To get the answer, we brought in the loudest thing we could find. We wired two Ockenhead sound recording devices to measure the exact amount of sound in each cabin to show which car is best designed to reduce noise levels inside. The net results of our demo? During the loudest blasts, the Taurus was 2.6 decibels quieter than the Acura, which means anything we could hear inside the Acura sounded about 5% louder than in the Taurus. Similar interior quietness, sure, but you can get it in the Taurus for around $20,000 less. And that sounds pretty good to us.